Okay, we got the SouLion R30 desktop RGB speakers. Here it is out of the box. I have the USB version, so he's going to give me power and audio. So let's hook it up. All right, got it connected to USB. RGBs are on. Different colors for you. Should be 6 different modes you can choose from. All right, and this is the setup on how I have it. Right under the monitors. And then the transition into night with the RGBs. You know I gotta show off the all white. Let's test the sound. Also, if you want to see a longer review, you can head over to my YouTube channel for the longer version. So appreciate you guys watching.